In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to a Hisense Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Method 1. Using AirPlay for Hisense TVs that support AirPlay. Step 1. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone and Hisense Smart TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Enable AirPlay on your Hisense TV. Press the Settings button on your remote. Go to Network, Apple AirPlay, and turn it on. Step 3. Start screen mirroring. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select your Hisense TV from the list. Your iPhone screen will now appear on your TV. Method 2. Use a third-party app for TVs without AirPlay. If your Hisense TV doesn't support AirPlay, you can use an app like AirScreen, download from the Hisense App Store, Power Mirror, or Let's View. Install the app on your TV, follow the on-screen setup, and connect using your iPhone via screen mirroring. Troubleshooting tips. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. Restart your iPhone and TV if the screen doesn't appear. Update your TV firmware if needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.